Leli phoyisa lichaza kabanti ngeludzaba lokubulawa kwebantfu ngesihluku ePalma eMozambiki. Emakhulukhulu sevele yashile emakhaya awo lapho bewahlala khona. Letiphekula tikhuni tishiye ticekele phansi yonke intfo beyikhona. Labo labasinzile bacokelela loko lokuncane lokusele. Mhlabuhlangene usibekeliso lesimo kuleya ndzawo.
We are concerned about the situation of civilians who fled the violence and those who remain in Palma. Nearly 12,800 people, 43% of those 12,800 people, or children, have arrived in the districts of Nangande, Mueda, Montepuez, and Pemba. Many more people are expected to still be on the move in search of safety and assistance. Humanitarian partners in Mozambique are assisting displaced people at the arrival points and scaling up the ongoing humanitarian response in Cabo Delgado.
Kumakhilomitha lambalwa nalapho kwendeka khona lolu thuthuva wabomengameli bemavekati aseningizimu neAfrica bebahlangene bafuna ukuthola sisombululo ekubukaneni nesimo lesinjena kulesigodzi.
The first were the Troika itself, which sat and adopted the recommendations of the ministers of defense and security, which in the main included the need to have SADC take responsibility in dealing with the threat.
We cannot stay indifferent as our fellow compatriots in a SADC member state continue to wallow under the atrocious, brutal and indiscriminate assaults meted out on them by these faceless terrorists.
Tikhulu temibutho kuvikela kumalunga emave SADC titohlangana tende umbiko ngetiphakamiso letitsetfwe baholi kulo mhlangano.
We're in uncharted territory for SADC at the moment, and one would hope that the situation the regional body finds itself in will give it pause to reflect on whether the policy tools and the legal framework within which it is operating needs some kind of review.
Labaholi batawuphinze bahlangane ekupheleni kwalenyanga lapho kuyoba khona nembiko lochaza kabanti ngetinhlelo lekutawusenjetelwa etikwato kungenelela esimeni salolu hlobo.